Welcome to the Barbershop Van Conversion. I should probably get changed first. Here's what's coming up. If you are new to the channel, I'm Tyler, a barber from the UK, and for the very first ever time on this channel, we are taking this VW Crafter medium wheelbase and converting it into a luxury mobile barbershop. Now, today's job is to clean this van. Now, we're going to start with the front of the cab area, and then we're going to work back, take this ply off, take the floors up, and then we're going to give it a full deep clean. I will run some videos at the end, so make sure you stick around for that, where you'll see what the van looked before and what it looks like now. Came into a little bit of a problem with this. Now, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to rather take the seats out or I'm gonna have to take the bulkhead out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna take the bulkhead out first to then get behind here. So I'll leave that for another day. I want to keep the bulkhead in because when I do the windows, I want the bulkhead in so no sparks or anything comes through here and damages these seats. If anyone has a little hack to get behind here for now, let me know in the comments. Oh my god, guys, so I've just opened this up. It is absolutely minging, to be honest. I think I'm gonna have to call the wife and get the big guns out.
All the dirt that has come out of one seat cleaning.
That is absolutely disgusting. Okay, that kind of wraps it up for today. The cleaning in the cab is complete. Now it's time to get these walls down and this floor up and start cleaning. Let's get to it. I'm putting gloves on now because after yesterday, when I was drilling some of the ply, I slipped and I thought I actually cut through my finger, but I actually didn't, and it was a false alarm. But I'm putting gloves on today just to make sure. I'm all right. Can't do that one. Don't do that. That is all of it. Now, time to bag it up and clear it. But I'm not going to bore you with it, so I'll meet you on the next step. update time. Basically, everything's stripped, everything at the front is clean. I'm going to use the sponge and just soapy water and just clean all the top section, the walls, and then I'm going to come in here for the floor and I'm going to just jet wash the whole thing through. I know there's some plugs from previous videos I've seen. There's some like little plugs or washer plugs where I can take out so the whole van can drain. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to start the clean and then wash through the jet wash all the way through. Under here, there should be, yes, these, which are little rubbers that drain the water. There it is. 2 days and the van has been completed. Guys, the clean has been done and it's taken me 2 days. I really did think that it was going to take me about an hour or two, but I was very wrong. 2 days this has taken me. I am absolutely exhausted from this, so I'm going to leave the video here. Just remember, this is the start of this new series, so make sure you stick around in other videos and check them out. But for now, make sure you like, leave a comment and drop me a subscribe. But for now, that's me checking out, and I'll see you in the next one.